Friends, today we are going to discuss few previous questions, that is previous mains, previous IIEEE and IIT advanced questions. Just observe here. In a triangle PQR, angle R is equal to pi by 2, right? If tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you have to observe the condition. So here, tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are roots of a quadratic, right? If alpha and beta are roots of a quadratic, you can write sum of the root as well as product of the root, right? So what is sum of the roots? Yes, that is minus b by a. From ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, sum of the roots always minus x quotient by x square quotient, right? What is product of root? Very good. That is c by a, that is constant by x square quotient. So here tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are roots of the given equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So by using this we can write sum as well as product, right? Now tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Here I am writing sum of the root, that is tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 is equal minus b by a. Clear? Now write product of roots. What is product of roots? Tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to c by a. Clear? Good. Now come to first point. In triangle PQR, angle are given. Angle given as 90 degree. Right? Angle are given as 90 degree. So then use the basic point. In triangle PQR, in any triangle, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree, right? Now you can write p plus q plus r is equal to 180, or you can say it as pi. Given r is equal to pi by 2, substitute there. P plus q plus pi by 2 is equal to pi. What is p plus q? P plus q is also pi by 2, right? So but here we have angles in terms of p by 2 and q by 2. What is the result here? P plus q equal pi by 2. So to get p by 2 and q by 2, so divide by 2 on both sides. If you divide by 2 on both sides here, what we get? P by 2 plus q by 2 is equal pi by 2 by 2, that is pi by 4. Clear? In triangle PQR, p plus q plus r equal to pi. Angle given r as 90, therefore p plus q is equal 180 minus 90, that is 90. This is p plus q relation. In the given question, we have p by 2 and q by 2 relation, right? Therefore, so just divide by 2 on both sides. We get p by 2 plus q by 2 is equal to pi by 2 by 2, that is pi by 4, right? Good. Now here we have the results in terms of tan. In terms of tan, right? Now we have to use these two results here. So for this, apply tan on both sides. What is the next step? This is tan of p by 2 plus q by 2 is equal to tan pi by 4. Right? So all you know, what is the formula of tan of a plus b? Standard result in tan, that is tan of a plus b is equal to what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Just simply substitute that. That is tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal. What is tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Therefore, substitute 1. Clear? Now, simply cross multiply. Clear? If you cross multiply, what we get? Tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 equal 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2. Already we have what is tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 minus b by a. Substitute here. In place of tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2, right? Minus b by 2 by 1 minus, that That is tan p by 2 into tan p by 2, that is c by a is equal to 1. Okay, now take LCM here. So we get the final one minus b by a minus c by a is equal to 1. A and a gets cancelled. Clear? Just basic. Is the by a here take LCM a minus c, a and a gets cancelled. Now go for cross multiplication. Minus b is equal to a minus c. Just arrange it, write the c here, b there, we get c is equal to a plus b. Right? Now check your options. Clear? So very simple. Whenever roots given, you must try for sum of the roots and product of roots. 100% we have to use, right? Sum of the roots and product of the roots in further application. Clear, students? Just note it down. C equal to a plus b. Therefore, the second option is your answer. Clear? Any doubts? Right. Just go through it. Note it down. Make it fast. Next, we are going to just I give you the similar model question for you. Solve that also. You get confidence. Practice regularly for confidence. Clear? Okay. What can be completed? Yes, very good. Now here. Just I am giving a new question for you. Just try it your own. Definitely get answer. So very simple one. The same model question. Another question. If the just note it down. If the roots of quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0. If roots of quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 or tan 30 degree and tan 45 degree, tan 30 degree and tan 15 degree, then value of 2 plus q minus p is equal. Is similar to the previous one. Just follow this. Okay? Right, no problem. Follow the same technique, definitely get answer. One of the best model from quadratic equation. So in general, the maximum questions are asked on this model only on the basis of sum of the roots and product of roots. Here also, tan 30 and tan 15 are roots of given equation. What is given equation here? X square plus px plus q equal to 0. Okay. Now apply sum of the roots as well as product of the roots concept. What are the roots here? Tan 30 and tan 15. Yes. Arun, can you tell the procedure? Yes. Good. Have you finished? Yes, right. Now remaining, just observe. So tan 30 and tan 15 are roots. First write sum of the roots here. Tan 30 plus tan 15 equal. What is given equation? Given equation is x square plus px plus q equal 0. Then sum of the roots you can write it as minus p. Clear? Now what is product of the roots? That is tan 30 into tan 15. What is product of the roots? That is c by a is q. Good. 30 and 15 are roots here. So on this combination, write tan 30 plus 15 value. Tan 13 plus 15 is equal to tan 45. Use tan a plus b formula here. Tan 30 plus tan 15 by 1 minus tan 30 into tan 15 is equal to 1. So already we have tan 30 plus tan 15 as minus p, sum of the roots minus p by 1 minus what is product of the roots q is equal to 1. Now cross multiply, minus p is equal to 1 minus q. Clear? Now write q this side, q minus p is equal to 1. Almost finished. Now what is the required? 2 plus q minus p. The required one is 2 plus q minus p. What is q minus p here? Q minus p is 1. Substitute here. 2 plus 1. Right? Here we have q minus p value is 1. The required one is this value from the question. Write simply q minus p is 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So what is value of this expression? That is 3. Clear? So very simple. Whenever you find roots in the question, right, just go for sum of the roots as well as product of roots concept. Clear? Very simple. Just note it down. So we move to the next question. Right. What term are you following? Yes. Very good. Right. Finished? Good. Now, next question. So, observe the next question here. Here, what is the next question? Note it down. Let two numbers have. Let two numbers have arithmetic mean, that is AM, arithmetic mean equal to 9 and geometric mean is equal to 4, then these numbers are the roots of equation. The four options given. So here, what he is asking, the relation between two numbers given in terms of arithmetic mean as well as geometric mean. Clear? So arithmetic mean of two numbers given as 9 and geometric mean given as 4. Now you have to calculate the equation, or you have to write the quadratic equation whose roots are these two numbers. Right? Whose roots are these two numbers. Clear? So we know that. What is the basic point here? If alpha and beta are two roots of any quadratic equation, then we can write the quadratic equation as, right? If roots are known, we can design or we can form the quadratic equation, right? So what is the concept here? If alpha beta are roots of any quadratic equation, that quadratic equation should be what? X square minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots equal to 0. Clear? Yes. If alpha beta are roots of a quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation should be x square minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots. It's a very simple one. Now use this concept in the question. Two numbers have a and is 9. If a and b are two numbers, let alpha and beta are two numbers. Whatever it will be, no problem. Let alpha and beta are two different numbers. Given AM equal to 9. What is AM of alpha beta? That is alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 9. From this we can write alpha plus beta is equal to 18. Clear now? Very good. Now, GM of the roots. What is GM? GM of the root equal under root AB. This is equal to 4. Right? If AB are two numbers, what is GM? Root M. Here our assumed numbers are alpha beta. Therefore take GM as root alpha and beta. Root alpha and beta equal 4. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal 16. Clear? Finished. If alpha beta are two numbers, we have alpha plus beta 18 and alpha beta equal 16. What is the concept says? If alpha beta are roots, then the quadratic equation x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal 0. Then what is your equation? X square minus x of sum of the roots is what? 18 plus product of the roots is what? 16 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Right? So very simple. Clear? Very good. Note it down. So students, just follow my physics and math videos, which are very useful for your competitive exams. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Keep watching Maths Guru channel.